Genesis chapter 1. The creation of the world. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form and empty, and darkness covered the deep waters. The Spirit of God moved over the surface of the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. Evening passed, and morning came, the first day. Then God said, "Let there be a space to separate the waters of the heavens from the waters of the earth." And it was so. God made this space, and separated the waters below from the waters above. God called the space sky. Evening passed, and morning came, the second day. Then God said, "Let the waters under the sky gather into one place so that dry ground may appear." And it was so. God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land sprout vegetation, plants bearing seed, and trees bearing fruit with seeds according to their kinds." And it was so. The land produced plants and trees, and God saw that it was good. Evening passed, and morning came, the third day. Then God said, "Let there be lights in the sky to separate day from night, and to mark seasons, days, and years. Let them shine in the sky to give light to the earth." And it was so. God made two great lights, the greater light to govern the day, and the lesser light to govern the night. He also made the stars. God set these lights in the sky to give light to the earth, to govern the day and night, and to separate light from darkness. And God saw that it was good. Evening passed, and morning came, the fourth day. Then God said, "Let the waters swarm with living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the sky." So God created the great sea creatures, every living thing that moves in the waters, and every winged bird, each according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the waters, and let the birds multiply on the earth." Evening passed, and morning came, the fifth day. Then God said, "Let the earth produce every kind of living creature, livestock, crawling animals, and wild beasts, each according to its kind." And it was so. God made all these animals, and he saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, to rule over the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, the livestock, and all the earth." So God created mankind in his own image. Male and female he created them. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful, multiply, fill the earth, and subdue it. Rule over every living creature." Then God said, "I have given you every seed-bearing plant and every tree with fruit for food. To all the animals I give every green plant for food." And it was so. God saw everything he had made, and it was very good. Evening passed, and morning came, the sixth day.